Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to log in Chase credit card. Chase is American National Bank with broad range of products that serves millions. To log in Chase credit card, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.chase.com. Then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to Chase website. Now, to log into Chase credit card, you need to log into your Chase banking account. To do so, here you can see the login box at the right side of the website. So, first enter your username on the given box. Then enter your correct password on the given box. After that, if you want your username and password to be remembered, then click on Remember Me box. Now, if you have token, then you can click on the option of Use Token. Similarly, if you forgot your username or password, then you can click on Forgot Username/Password. If you are not enrolled to your Chase credit card or your online banking, then here you can click on Sign Up Now. After entering all your credentials, click on Sign In. With that, you'll be logged into your Chase credit card. This is how we can log in Chase credit card on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.